Hello everyone! Today we are going to compare Flash Cache Free and Flash Cache Pro and understand which one is the best choice. So let's just dive into it. But before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your thumbs up, and enjoy our video. So this is the product page of Flash Cache, and here we can see the main difference between Flash Cache Free and Flash Cache Pro. The Pro version allows its users to avoid cache for each block or widget, which is a very important feature in caching. And now let's go to WordPress and test these features out. The free version of Flash Cache itself is full of useful features, and now let's explore them. So in this general settings, first of all, you will need to enable cache and delete cache if you have here and save your changes. Afterwards, let's go to the advanced options and see what the free version offers. So here you can see cache allocation feature, which allows you to choose where you want to store your cache. Here you can choose your time life of your cache. By default it is 1 year, but of course you can make changes according to your preferences. Afterwards you can make some exceptions. For example, you can choose not cache users with some certain cookies, for example comment author or WordPress logged in or WordPress postpass. You can add yours and easily delete the rows. Afterwards, you can choose your cache process. So this first version, which is using output buffer and creates output buffer, is recommended by the developers, so it is even easier and faster. Afterwards, you can optimize your styles and scripts. Not to say that the free version only allows to optimize these styles and scripts. So here you can enable or disable them, and here you can choose your log type, either with files or with database. After making your save changes, you can go to the patterns. A very important feature that the free version allows is adding your own and creating your own features. So here you can title your pattern, and here you can choose the page types that you want to cache. So beware, if you choose this, then it will automatically cache all your pages. Then you need to choose the ones that you want, so that it caches only the ones that you have checked. So let's say only pages and posts. Afterwards, you can go and make some other configurations, for example, create cache on insert or update a post. Here you can also make this filtering options very useful. So this URL must contain and URL should not contain allows you to insert certain URL names that you want to cache or not want to cache. So if you do not want to cache, for example, profiles, then you can in this part write your profile word, and it will not cache that URL that contains that profile slug. And then here you can choose your cache type, which this HTML static is ultra fast, so you can go on with this. Then again, you can make your minimum and maximum time life configurations. So afterwards, you need to publish this and go to the preload. Another very important feature that the free version allows is the preload. You know that cache occurs when a new user accesses your website, and the cache occurs when they are already visited your website. This preload option allows to cache your website even before your users accessed your website. So here you can enable preload, and here you can choose cache taxonomies. Taxonomies meaning categories or tags. Here you can again choose your number of pages per execution and your time per preload. Again, very easy to configure to your preferences. And here you can disable preload on finish, which will automatically turn off the preload cache process upon completion. And then you need to execute preload. And that's it from the free version. And now let's explore the amazing features of the Pro version. The Pro version of Flash Cache includes everything in the free version, plus additionally the minify styles and minify scripts features. So while in the free option you could only optimize styles and scripts without minimizing them, with the Pro version you can both optimize and minimize them, and here you can enable and disable them quite easily. And let's now go to create a post so that I can show you the other important feature that the Pro version has. So for this, let's create a post. And here you can find Flash Cache when clicking on blog, and here in this blog part you can see disable cache option. So why this is good? Because when you cache everything, it can sometimes show the old and not updated version of your data. So when you disable cache here, you can ensure that you never display an old data on your website. After a careful review, we now can say that both the free and Pro versions of Flash Cache are really useful. My top choice is Flash Cache Pro because it not only allows to keep our website speed high, but also avoid displaying old or missing data on our website. That's it for today. And now tell me which one is the best choice for you in the comments below. So, see you soon. Bye!